everyone. So it's moving day today. We are moving to a new site. So I'm cleaning. We just tried to make a video and it was a fail because the German pancake didn't turn out the way it should. So because of that, I'm gonna have to redo the video. But it still tastes good, so the girls are still eating it. What? She stole your piece of German pancake? Birdie, there's so many. It's okay. It's okay, Birdie, there's so many. Murphy, don't steal her piece of German pancake, okay? Don't elbow her. Bailey, maybe you switch spots with Murphy.
Seems like they want to be friends.
So I thought I'd do a clean with me video because the RV is a mess and we always have to clean the RV before we move it. Well, we don't have to, but we do. So I'll give you a quick tour of how messy it is. I already did the bedroom, so I did up there. Still have the bathroom, the girls' room, all this area. So yeah, this is Come Clean With Me, the Road to Mayhem edition. So here you see me cleaning up the bed and making the bed. We also had some laundry that I needed to put away. But mostly when I'm cleaning up and getting ready to move, I'm making the bed, I'm picking up anything around the bed on the floor, making sure that the wardrobe slide can come all the way in. I also clean up that shelf behind our head in order to make sure that nothing will fall onto the bed or, you know, whatever. I also usually need to make sure that my bedside table is nice and clean because mine gets full of junk. So here you see me vacuuming. It's a little weird because I have to get down on the floor and get underneath the bed, but yeah, so I'm mostly just vacuuming all around our bed. Our room is the only room that has the carpet all around the floor. So here you see me vacuuming, especially underneath Sean's side of the bed because that's where the cats lay and they tear up the carpet. So here I'm moving into the bathroom to vacuum up because that's where we keep our kitty litter right now. So I'm cleaning up in there, cleaning the bathroom, and here's a long shot of down our main hallway, cleaning the floor and making sure everything in the hallway is nice and cleaned up. So here I am getting into the girls' room. I fold blankets and pillows and organize stuffed animals. Here you'll see me, I don't know if anyone else has this, but I love organizing the dollhouse. It actually drives me crazy when the kids play with it, and I have to let that go because they always just destroy it. So here I am having a little guilty pleasure moment in organizing the dollhouse. The girls like to play on the top bunk, so while I'm folding blankets and pillows and organizing the bed, also because we have cats and we're also on a gravel RV park, there's lots of rocks and stuff in their beds, little pieces of sand and stuff. So I was shaking out the mattress, cleaning that all out, and organizing their beds. And then last I put the boxes of toys in the dollhouse into the bed and sweep out the room. So then we move over to the main area, and this is my least favorite place to clean, so I leave it for last. I really dislike doing dishes. I hate cleaning this room. I don't know what it is. Ooh, sorry about the bad camera. But yeah, so the good thing is we have a little central vac system in the RV, which makes cleaning a whole lot easier because I can just sweep it into the little spot that's what's in that closet on the bottom, if you see me opening that closet a lot. But doing the dishes and cleaning up the room is a whole project, let me tell you, especially with all the kids. And sorry, Bailey opened her curtain. I put it up in her loft. So then you see me just cleaning and sweeping and cleaning and sweeping. As you see, I am saving dishes for last because I absolutely hate them. We do try to do all our dishes. We were in a full hookup site, which means we had electric and water, and we had dump station at our site, which means we could dump and straight from me doing dishes. So here you see me doing dishes. We do, like I said, we try to do all of our dishes before we leave so that we can just dump all the water at once before we go. Also, that just creates a better environment on the other end so that we can come into all clean dishes, everything put away and ready to go. But yeah, so I'm just finishing up while the kids were playing outside. I think Sean was in his office organizing, cleaning, and straightening up and getting ready to go. And then there's Bailey getting out of her loft. We also have 3 cats. 2 of them like to go outside, so if we're in a safe space, we let the cats outside and to roam around and everything. One of them does not go outside, and she's kind of dumb and gets lost. One time, actually, the gray one, I don't know if you saw her, but the gray one got out and she ran underneath the RV and didn't know where she was, and she just sat under the RV meowing at us. It was pretty hilarious. So but yeah, so a lot of the cleaning just entails doing dishes and straightening up and putting things where they belong, because having 3 kids means a lot of things just get put in random spots, and it's a lot of me just straightening up. So, and I think I'm cleaning the floor because, like I said, we are in a gravel RV park, and so, oh, there I am back. So I'm vacuuming underneath all the seats because the seats got very, the kids drop food under there and popcorn and such. So I guess I decided to vacuum again. And at this point, I think I was turning off all the lights. Oh yes, so this is me bringing in all the slides, making sure all the slides came in, locking the TV up, and there we go. So that was cleaning with me. I hope you enjoyed it. We're almost ready to move. Got all the slides pulled in, and Sean's just working on dumping our tanks. We got our propane filled, and yeah, so just doing the last little bits before we move to the dry docking site. Can we close the door?
Yeah.
The girls always sit in the truck for like an hour while we're getting ready, and I'm like, why are you in the truck already? We're not even leaving yet. So as you can see, Sean is dumping the tanks. Bailey's going to learn how to help him because she's in trouble. So yeah, just loading it all up. Maybe I'll show you what it looks like when it's all pulled in. So I have the door closed up, but we'll show you what it looks like real quick. So we can pull this. Ooh, it's hard to do one-handed. Okay, close the screen door so the cats don't get out. So I put our front door stuff there. We got the slides all in, and then we have to put as much stuff as we can in the sink so it doesn't move around. I have all our waters there. I still haven't figured out a good solution to that. So this is when the slide's pulled in, the couch is all the way in, the fridge is all the way in, the bunk bed's all the way in. As you can see, we put all the stuff here. And then the other slide that goes all the way in is the wardrobe side. And then these are the locks for the doors so they don't slide around. And then there's a lock on this one. And yeah, so we just basically have to make sure everything's in nice and tight. We try to turn off most of the things. We're gonna switch this to propane because we're gonna unplug the electricity in a minute. And I hear our kids screaming, so I better go out and get them. So thanks for joining us on another video, Road to Mayhem video. We are at our new site. We've been here for a few days now, and yeah, that was pretty much how I actually cleaned it probably more than I have so far since we moved in that video, but that's our basic clean with me video, how we clean the camper before we move it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay up to date with us and find out more about, what we do in our RV. So see you soon.